Let's start with you, Mr. Bruno. What steps will you take if the town is found with the possibility of another large commercial rateable request for reassessment?
Well, I think we've established some ground rules for that. You know, those assessments pretty much are what they are. Again, the assessor did what he was supposed to do. He looked at a piece of property and made an assessment on it. Township government cannot get involved and dictate to an assessor what he should do and how to conduct his business. I say the one thing that our current assessor didn't do, and he was new, so we did give him the guidelines. When he has that, he needs to come before the governing body before he makes a decision and sell us on what he's doing and why he's doing it. And he should bring with him legal counsel and the appraiser with him, because we have to overcome that when it comes budget time. But his assessment is pretty much an independent, not pretty much, it's an independent of the town government. And if he would have came before us and told us, at least we would have been prepared, and everybody would have known what he was doing when he did it, instead of the bits and pieces we got in the 3-month lag time.
Mr. Bonacci.
Yeah, I'm very disappointed in this. I'm going to push forward with a resident who found out for us, and unfortunately nobody advised us, that the town can appeal a large tax rebate like that to someone. And I'm not a tax assessor, so I don't know what the number is, but I happen to have a feeling for what he did. And I think he's in error on a common sense basis, but I'm not going to calculate it. So I'm going to push that we find out what it takes to appeal as a town. It's very sad that a citizen had to come forth and tell us this, and he caught me, and I did my research, and I passed on information to the rest of the council, and I don't like Mr. Bruno's answer that there's nothing much we can do, because now we found out we can. I had found out before that any taxpayer can call into question and appeal any other person's tax assessment, a scary thought. But then we found out the town can do it. And if we don't do it, every Tom, Dick, and Harry in this town is going to go for an assessment reduction, especially the businesses.